Hey, hey. Yeah, finally. Took a while. I know. Hey everyone. Let's go, new project. That wasn't supposed to be the project I intend to do, but to start easy. Actually, I'm not sure it's easy. We're going to create something like that. I will share the links and inspiration. Yeah, someone shared that on the Discord. I will talk a bit about that. But yeah, the challenge is interesting. I think it's done with Blender. No, he didn't say. Yeah, not much information. I think it's a 3D designer, so I guess he used Blender or something like that. Anyway, let's do that in WebGL and maybe plug it with the sound, or I don't know. I'm sure we will figure out. Let's do a like 2 or 3 session project. I always say that, you know how it goes after. Yeah, internet is like, oh no, I don't have battery on my headset. Damn, why did I buy that? At least it warns you with a small sound that the battery is almost empty. Okay, it's working. So cool to have a wireless headphone. That's so great. A wireless headphone. Oh, let's change the view. Okay, let's go. What we do today, we are creating a sphere. But a sphere plus, like this. Let me find who talked about that. It was Lynn. Yeah, Lynn Alfala. Maybe Lynn is here, by the way. And yeah, Lynn is already trying to do that, which is actually a huge challenge. And yeah, we will try it too. Some Fresnel, some pseudo light, custom light, things like that. I don't know. Are you here, Lynn? I don't know, maybe it's another pseudonym. Yeah, I don't see any beside. No. Thank you. Hey, Cathy. What's up? Hey, Lunia. Yeah, we have the best. Everybody's here. Okay, let's go. So, let's start with the sphere. That part is actually quite easy. There are some challenges here. I already know those because I already struggled with those. It's computed normal. I will explain that once we are there. So, this dot set material, set geometry, and set mesh. It's easy to create those displacement, but to have that lighting, that's something else. Yeah, I'm not actually sure we can do that. We'll see. Let's go. Yeah, by the way, I know why I didn't have internet. It's something, I don't know if it's the same in other countries, but in France, maybe I'm the only one having those struggles and hearing those, but operators, like internet operators, they just unplug people and put their clients, and unplug people and put their clients, and it's what happened to me. Like on Friday, another operator, I don't know which one, they didn't tell me, just unplugged me to put someone else. Even though there were like many slots available, they just decided to unplug me and put someone else. Thank you, and obviously it's on Friday, so I had to wait many days. Can I have 3? It's sad that I always have to import it. Sphere geometry, this part is quite easy. Let's do, I don't know, 1, 32. Yeah, that's enough. The material, let's use the basic material to start with. I've been working on Mac for a few days, especially because of my students. I started teaching again in school, so I'm using my Mac there. So I get used to Mac again. Oops. Though it's good to be back on PC. By the way, is everything working? The sound is good? Maybe too loud, no? Tell me if you see anything wrong. Maybe the lighting, I don't know. Lighting. We are creating a sphere. Not just a sphere, you will see. Okay, let's go. What a great start. Crazy. Ooh. Actually, we might have issues on the top. I mean, I have ideas on how to get there. And yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm going to fail. Anyway, let's do something. Let's move on. We'll see. So let's create some shaders on the sphere. And sometime VS Code or probably Windows is struggling to create one file. I love it. Okay. Import those. No. Yeah. It's weird. Like, you can't find the last file, though you can find those folders. Maybe there's a bug or I don't know. Maybe it's only with folders and not files. That's weird. Yes, we are going to have quite a lot of things there. Void main. Okay, if I forgot how to create shaders, it's gotta be a problem. Model matrix. Oh wait, view matrix. That's on me. Something like that. All right. Void. I will check the chat in a minute. Yeah. I'm a bit tired. Sorry. Okay, so we have those, and now we can use them there. So it's gonna be shader material. Yes, my English is super sloppy today. Oh, by the way, Boy is sleeping behind me because all of you guys are here for Boy. I know that. We don't care about Bruno. It's all about Boy. I would be here for Boy. No, I don't have a dog cam yet. Okay, it's working. First try. Woohoo. So, yeah, okay, I've updated it. Let me check the description. I'm creating a sphere that looks. Should we put a S? Alive with custom lighting and fresnel effect. I will probably change the description. I don't know exactly where this project is going. Hey Eddie, Salut Bruno, t'as probablement déjà dû répondre à cette question, donc désolé, mais c'est quoi ton thème VS Code? No, you're right about that. I should put that in the description or something like that. And thank you, Ben. That's it. It's Pale Night, and you can find Pale Night in Community Material Theme. This one. This extension, and you install Pale Night. There are multiple themes in this one. Community Material Theme. So, yes, and it's actually already part of the course. The final part of the course that I added after something like 2 months is with the portal, and we create a portal in Blender, export everything, add some custom shaders, and it's actually what I used to create those you say the building in the Three.js Journey landing. It's the same technique. I can't do a tutorial about this specific building because it's way too long. The details, everything was way too long. And actually, I didn't do the modeling. It was Romain Briot, a French 3D designer, 3D designer, UX designer. He can do anything. He can even do like cooking and stuff like that. And yeah, so no, it's just too big, which is why I created the short version with the portal. And by the way, there are new lessons coming. Ah, the animation. Ah, yeah, it really depends on which one. There are so many animations. Thank you, Cathy. Yeah, Romain Briot, exactly. And by the way, Romain Briot has one of his art on the homepage of Dribble. I think it's so funny that I always talk about this, but this is from Romain Briot. That's so funny. I didn't even ask him. They just put it on the homepage. He was happy. Yeah, emotes. And I need to add more. I'm going to ask for more emotes. It's a bit expensive, so I'm not in a hurry. Let me check on Boy quickly. Okay, he's sleeping. I think we have at least 1 hour before he wakes up. So we have the sphere. Let's go. We need to work on many things. First, we need to work on the lights, and we are going to use pseudo light. I'm not going to use any pre-made Three.js material because I just want to practice that a little. Probably a bad idea, but still, that's why I need to practice. So for each one, we are going to send, I guess, the normal. Yeah. So varying the normal. Oh, we need to multiply the normal by the matrices. Oh yeah, there is so much work to do. It's gonna be a mess. Sorry, but I hope it's gonna be interesting too. Hey, Major. Live long and prosper sign. Can Roman do live long and prosper sign? I guess. Ask him. I don't know. Is that a challenge? Oh wait, actually, we don't need to apply matrices on the sphere. Ah, yeah. It's already getting interesting. On the normals, because it's on the sphere. So there is no surprise, and the sphere is what it's supposed to be. I mean, at the center with a radius of 1. Okay, so it might not be that complex. So if we do that, okay, then we get it there. Yeah. And then we use the normal. There, what do we get? Okay, that's cool. So those are world normals. Ah, yeah. We need to do some stuff already. We need to do some stuff. Should we base on... Oh yeah, we're going to use the normals to do the animation. Yeah. I'm already struggling. I will speak a lot, because when I'm thinking, I'll just speak. It helps. That's the duck, what's the name? Bread Farm, I'm sure you know the name, what I'm looking for. The duck speaking, duck you speak to? Rubber duck? Yeah, that's it, the rubber duck. You guys are my rubber ducks team. I just speak to you and solve my issues. We are creating an organic sphere. I'm getting inspired by this. It's something that Lynn, one of the Three.js Journey students, posted on the Discord server. And I think it's cool, and I want to see if we can recreate that. Might be a bad idea. We'll see. Let's have fun with the Perlin first. Or not, maybe. Yeah, let's start. Anyway, if it's a bad idea, we'll see quite fast. I'm going to use a 4D Perlin nose. Let's take it from the previous project, which was... Ah, it's the Doom portal, obviously. I knew it. Partials, 4D. Okay, that's exactly what I needed. Can I do that? Oh, wow. Okay, that's why I like VS Code. Like taking a folder from one project to another, it just works. That's cool. I like it. And how do we import things? Let's get back to the project, because I can't remember how you can import things. And we used it, I guess, in the event horizon. There is no event horizon. That's weird. Portal hello, portal. Oh no, never mind. It's portal event horizon. I was on it. Okay, like that. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Can I get rid of it? I guess. Then we put it there. No bug. We're going to use a 4D. And let's go. So, should we work on the position or the model position? Because it's a sphere, it doesn't really matter. Like, we don't even have to use that. Yeah, check that. I guess we get the same result. Yeah. That's interesting. I never did that, but if you're not applying any like scale, rotation, and position, you don't care about the model matrix. And we can even not send it to the GPU, but we don't have performances issues, so we don't really care. Salut Bruno, j'ai pris ta formation Three.js, mais il n'y a pas les sous-titres. No, there is no subtitle, but there are those, like those slides on the bottom left that should help you quite a lot. So no subtitles, sorry. I might add subtitles later, but not a priority. I'm working on new lessons right now. What window management tool do you use? It's not so nice. I didn't install anything. I think it's native Windows stuff, right? Can someone confirm that on Windows you can just do that? I don't think I install anything. Do you ever use or play with React 3 Fiber? I just tried. I mean, I've been using React for a few months. At the beginning of React, I mean, when it started to be popular, not the beginning, because it took some time before it got popular. And I didn't really like it, so I tried React 3 Fiber just because I was curious, and it's working really well. But I don't use it. I always have one with me. Oh, really? I should have one. Yeah, and you have shortcuts, indeed. I always forget to use them. Windows key, left, right. Ah, yeah. I should use those. Ah, okay. Okay, cool. So we create a new position. And we move it according to the normal. I'm just checking. We're supposed to have a bigger sphere. Yeah, okay, it's working. Okay, cool. So now, instead of doing that, we are going to use the Perlin 3D. Oh, never mind. It's 4D noise. And we are going to do... yeah, let's first calculate the Perlin. So float Perlin, just Perlin equal Perlin strength, Perlin multiplier, strength, I don't know. We use the vec4. Obviously, we're going to use the time at some point. And we use the base position, maybe not the new position, though it's the same, at least at first. And we multiply the normal by that. And we should get something weird. Okay, it's working. Nice. Then we can have some frequency, I guess. Let's use float u frequency, because later it's going to be a uniform. Salut Bruno, ferais-tu une vidéo pour montrer comment tu as créé ton site internet avec la voiture? I know. Actually, I give a lot of techniques I've used on my portfolio in the Three.js Journey course. Modeling, classic techniques, the background, physics, what else? Madcaps, baking, so many techniques. But I don't think I can do a video about the whole thing because it took me like 3 months. The video would be very long, maybe not that interesting, so I don't think I would be create a video about that. The boss. Canon, although you might need to use Canon.js, yeah, or any physics library. Oh, by the way, Cathy, did you start the course? Did you start the course? Take a look at Babylon.js. Yeah, true. Have a look at Babylon. It's more like an engine. Maybe it will be easier. You can make a complete game with Three.js. Yes, you can create a complete game in Three.js. Check the homepage of Three.js. You will see some examples. And there is actually it's always the same I show. There are many games, but the one I always show is Crunker. This one, Crunker. I mean, they created a multiplayer FPS game right in the browser. So check Crunker. Let's not play. Let's stay focused. Okay, so let me check. Okay, we done that. Okay, I finished my internship before. Oh yeah, okay. So you have time. Just joined the stream. Are we building rainbow popcorn? What's rainbow popcorn? Oh yeah, actually you're right. Should we take a screenshot on that? No, we are creating something like that. I hope it's okay to recreate other artworks. I think I will add a credit, like I don't know, somewhere. If it's way too close to that, I will add a credit to that guy. Okay, so yeah, I was working on the frequency 0.0, and then we multiply the position, and we get a strange popcorn, and then we can play with the strength again. I don't know, it's so hard to name things. Especially in shaders. Yeah, okay. That's cool. And you know what we need? Subdivision. A lot of vertices. Okay, that's cool. I think we can even add more. How many do we have? 64 by 64? I lost so many extensions between when I sync everything. Oh yeah, we can add more. So right now it's getting bad, I guess. Yeah, okay, that's it. So we are quite far from that, as you can see, but it's going somewhere. Okay, cool. So let's play with the frequency. Let's use a bit less. Okay, and there is something happening, is that the purlin is being offsetted too. Yeah, that's what you get there. This part is a bit tricky because you can't really predict how it will look. We're going to need some tweaks, obviously. Not that I'm hungry, but what a good joke. Actually, I need coffee too. Give me a moment.
Bruno, it's a raid.
Okay. Don't forget to drink. Small reminder. What? Hey, Julie. Julie and old friends. Hey, everyone. Obviously, you read me right exactly at the moment where I go get some coffee. Without headset? Yes, because I have a wireless headset that I need to
Look at
recharge
chat.
every day. It's a red, yeah. Too bad. Oh, by the way, Julie, what is your next project after that crazy Rick and Morty room you did? Yeah, it was crazy. What a project. Game creator? Oh, that's the plan. Share stream. Check my share. I started right at the moment I left. We are creating that effect right here, and we are trying to do that in WebGL, which is probably a bit more tricky. I think he used Blender, I'm quite sure of it. I saw somewhere Blender, but it's not written here. So yeah, we are just trying to do that. So we have some Fresnel, and we have some custom lighting, I always say lighting. A bit challenge. I might fail, we'll see. We are here to learn. Okay. I've seen your portfolio so many times. Yeah, me too. I've been saying on my own, I've been obsessed with Three.js. Your portfolio is freaking inspiring. I'm glad you like it. I'm learning to make games asset for sale. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Do you have a store? Do you have a personal store? You can do some advertising if you want. You can post links also. My pleasure. Yeah, by the way, NitroCell, if you want to learn how to create a portfolio like this, I've created a course. Let's see if my shortcuts are working. No, obviously it's not working. It's never working. I have to reset it every time. But it's Three.js Journey. Bruno, for your sphere, you might want to take a look at... Let me check. Magma. Ah, yeah. But this part is a bit too easy. I will explain why later. Because there is no real light happening here. Yeah, that's super cool, really organic. That's the animation is exactly what I want to do, but not the lighting. No, it's not. It's 3GS. Yeah, you're right. I should have put course. Okay, now it's working. Next 3. I'm just waiting. Not yet. Ah, okay. All right, let's go. Let's move on. Yeah, true. Let's get there. Yeah. Give me a moment. I'm gonna take that link you just posted and add it to my organic sphere page. Create embed. Is it working or what? Yeah, okay, it's working. Show me the embed. Come on, Notion. Come on. Might work at some point. All right, let's send time. So let's update. We're going to give some life to that sphere. Oh, come on, VS Code. Okay. Material. We're going to add some uniforms. Time equal new. Not new. Calm down. Value is .time elapsed. So we need the time. We need to add that uniform because we don't have it yet. U time. Oh. Yeah, I think that's the worst. The curly brackets between Mac and Windows, so far away. So far away. Sphere, okay, cool. When we update, if the sphere does exist, we update it. And it should work just fine. Okay, cool. Now we can play with that. So we are going to use that uniform. It's a float. And we can use it there. It's gonna be weird at first, okay? And then we can just slow it down. Yeah, okay. That's cool. That's more life, right? Hey, Ellie. You're back. I'm cooking. Don't want the food to burn. Tell us, what are you cooking? There's a giveaway at the end of this stream. Yeah, true, exactly. And yes, I did the course. And yes, we're going to add 3 more lessons. I just need to find time to work it. Actually, I wanted to work on that this afternoon, but I really wanted to stream too, so I can't do both. I will work on the lessons tonight. After some Apex. Alright, so what we are missing here is the distortion. So distortion is quite bad because we need to do multiple purlins, but that's how we do. So float distortion, I guess. Strength equal, and we use the same purlin nodes. We just need to make sure that we have different frequencies. So we're going to need... yeah, that's where variables are tricky. Distortion frequency. Oh, what a mess. Yuck. Distortion frequency, and we are going to use it there. I'm going to rename this one to something else. Purlin frequency. Displacement frequency, or... If I don't do that, I won't be able to sleep at night. We need good names. I'm saying that like I'm joking, but I actually think of variables names at night. I need to do yoga or things like that to get rid of variables from my head. So we have the distortion, all right. We can just test the distortion. It should be kind of the same, okay? But now we are going to use the distortion to create some offset on the position. Displacement position. So yeah, we need to do vec3 displacement position equal that. Then we use it there. And then the position, we need to do multiple ones. Yeah, that's harder than expected. Wait, I know. We're going to use smaller, less dimension purlins because this one is going to be way too strong if we do that. So we use position X, Y for the Z. And we use this one, yes, I guess. So it's a vec3. Okay, that's the moment where I'm losing myself, all right? So we break everything and then we get back and fix everything. And if we don't, that's my problem, I guess. Distortion X equal that. Let me see. Displacement, new position. Are we using the position again? Yeah, I'm fully lost. Right now I'm fully lost. Let's move those up. New position, displacement position, purlin, displacement position. Okay, that's the one we need. We are going to offset it on different axes. We do plus equal that. I'm not checking the chat. I'm trying to focus right now because I'm already a bit lost. So for the Y, no, for the X, it's Y, Z. So I'm using the other axis to mess up with this axis. axis, yeah. On the Y, we use the X and Z of the initial position, not the displacement position, yeah, that's it. And on the Z, we use the X and Y. We always apply the distortion frequency, and we use the time. Yeah, okay, I think that's it. Let's add some randomness to the time so that it's not exactly the same as for the Perlin. And then, kind of, what's happening? Okay, let's see. Perlin strength. All right, I know what I will do. I'm going to send the Perlin. The problem is that we can't see the Perlin much. It's going to get to be hard to debug, so I'm going to send the Perlin to the color. So Perlin strength, yeah, like that. So we create a new one. It's a float. Yeah. It's actually going to look a bit better, I guess. And we can use it there. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Float, temp. Don't worry, I'm going to change that. Oops. And we can just do plus equal 0. Oh, come down. Plus 0.5. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Okay, so now we can see a bit more. Yeah, maybe something like that. And then something like that. Okay, nice. Okay, cool. Let's slow it down. So it looks like the displacement isn't working that well. Let me see. I used to do that technique only on 2D. I guess it's the same, but probably got lost in the calculation. That's actually what we do in the portal of the Three.js Journey course. At the end, you know, we create some, for those who did it. Actually, there is only 300 people that did it. The portal at the end of the Three.js Journey course. And we create a Perlin noise and then add a displacement. So that's exactly what I'm trying to do right now. Oh, we can see, oh yeah, it's because of the interpolation. It's fine, we can switch it to the fragment at some point. We should not have performance issues. And we don't really care, actually. Haven't reached the shader ever since. Haha. Still being done, just rewriting instruction on the GPU. It's like very more generally. I was wondering if the crypto NFT 3D was made with Blender. The crypto NFT 3D was made with Blender. Which one? This one? No, I'm quite sure he used Blender or something like that. Probably a node-based software, because this is quite easy with nodes. Quite easy, not that easy. It's not possible to do that with Three.js. Would it be good to link the frequencies by making one a function of the other to make sure they always differ but relative? You lost me there. Would it be good to link the frequencies by making one a function of the other to make sure they always differ but relative? Nah, you lost me there. I think if you just send different frequencies and maybe an offset, you can be sure that you won't get the same result. Gravitational lensing? What's that? Let's Google it. I said let's Google it. Okay. Ooh. Looks interesting. Lentille gravitationnelle ou mirage gravitationnel produit par la présence d'un corps céleste très massif. Alright. That's kind of what happened in the event horizon, black holes, things like that. We should do a project like this. I want to create black holes. Like the one you see in Interstellar. Though they did a real simulation with crazy like calculation and computers. We're going to do some tricks. Science click showing how would it look if we were to fall. Ah yeah, I saw this one. I saw this video. Like what you would see if you fall in a black hole without obviously being crushed immediately. What is the language in the bottom window? Yeah, that's it. It's GLSL. Those are programs that you send to the GPU. They will be executed for each vertex of the geometry and then for each, let's say, pixel, visible pixel of the geometry. Yeah, true. Yeah, so that's crazy. Very good movie. They did everything right. Oh, by the way, did you guys see Dune? Do we say Dune? 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 We say Dune in France, in French. I saw it. Really cool. Really cool. It's probably better if you already saw like the original movie. I never read the book. Dune. Okay, Dune. Maybe you have to check that yourself. Just make sure right now, if you want to make a custom shader, you should first try to use the shader in Three.js before trying Blender. No, it's something completely different. Completely different. Anyway, you can't export custom shaders from Blender. I mean, custom materials that when you use like nodes, you can't export that. So it's two different things. You can learn both at the same time. Ray tracing a black hole, yeah, true. Might be a good start, but ray tracing in the browser, I can't say it, browser, is quite hard and too expensive in terms of performances, so it's kind of a no-go. No, you better do like two rendering, one of what's behind, and then rendering of what's in front of it, and use the previous render to do some distortion. I mean, I don't know, we'll see when I try that. Remarching? Yeah. It's not supposed to be performant enough in the browser. But still, it's kind of working. I mean, check the Shader Toys experiments. Our computers are not ready, the browser are not ready for the remarching. Though I need to practice that. I just have the theory and did one or two tests. So yeah, let's fix that what's the name? Distortion. Displacement position, distortion. Displacement, we use the distortion, we apply it there. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. Let's try other values. Oops. Yeah, I think I know. It's not going to work. Yeah, we might have an issue. And I don't know how to fix it. Displacement strength. Oops. Oh, distortion strength. Ah. I don't want to use the UV. The UV will create some patterns on the top and the bottom, and it's going to be a mess. Can we check? Oh, the link is not working. It's cool, so great. Of the magma thing, let me change it from there to there. Up, up. Ah, it seems to be possible. They are doing some distortion here. Okay, we can do it. We just need to figure out how. So, displacement frequency. Let's put on 2. Okay, distortion strength. Let's put 0. I want to get rid of it. Okay, so that's the base one. We just want to push the coordinates Is it of the displacement? Should be. In 3D. Frequency, strength. I don't know. Displacement frequency. Or maybe we should apply this one after. Yeah, that would be maybe a good solution. Then this one. I'm missing something, but I don't know what. Oh wait, new position. Okay, yeah, we applied the new position there. We can just move this one there. Okay. Displacement position is based. Oh, yeah, maybe I did some mistakes there. Displacement position. Okay, no, it's fine. Why is it doing something like that? I don't know. Oh no. Maybe the values are too close. No, we are using a Perlin 3D, which is very different from the other one. We are using the base coordinate. Let's see. You know what? Let's check my own course and learn some things. Let me just remove that. Camera. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's it. It's not working. Ah, we applied the same on both X and Y. Ah, that's interesting. That's interesting. That's weird. Why did I do that? I'm not supposed to do that. Or maybe. Okay, let's test. Let's use the 4D just like we did there. Oh, I don't like this music. Let's go. Ah, that's it. Okay. Ah, I'm surprised. I thought we needed to send a different one for each how do you say, axis. Okay, that's cool. Actually, it's better for performances. We just do one Perlin, so we can use the 4D and yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Let's change that. Okay, that's great. It's getting somewhere. We have those weird effects. I guess it's too precise. Should be fine. Should we add more subdivision? This is getting weird. 65,000. Let's go. That's so bad. Anyway, let's lower the strength of the distortion anyway. So something like, I don't know, 0.5. We're going to create some tweaks now. No, more actually. 1. Yeah, like this one. Then we can lower the frequency of this one. Yeah, that's it. I like it. Let's make it look a bit better. We can do minus, I don't know, 0.2. Really? Are we that tight on the value? Oh yeah, looks like so. That's weird. Quite sure I'm missing something again. Yeah, I like it. Alright, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. We're getting there. More equal better. Always? Damn it, I didn't know that. I can't wait until I get to the baking.
I know it says organic sphere, but what exactly are you doing?
I got inspired by this, which one of the students of the Three.js Journey posted on the members-only Discord server. It's Lynn who posted that. And I'm trying to do something similar because I think it's cool and I wonder how we can get there. So first we're working on the shape, and then we're going to do some Fresnel, I don't know, some pseudo lighting, and also I think there is some kind of glow, but I guess the glow can be done with just an Unreal Bloom path. Fresnel, yeah, that's it. That's what I thought. Fresnel. All right, cool. Let's move on. We need some tweaks to have some fun, but first let me send you that so that you guys can test. Git status, git add old, git commit. Yeah, yes, I know you can create some aliases to do it faster. Add the sphere. Yeah, the sphere. Give it 1 minute and you should be able to test it. And obviously my loop deck broke. Are they even trying to fix the issues? I guess not. Come on. Oh, shoot. Did I restart it? Yeah, okay. Where's project? Okay. Check that. I put the link in the chat. Wait just a moment. It's gonna get updated. The French dude doesn't know how to say Fresnel. True. It is so true. Alright, we need tweak pane. I think I will go for tweak pane every time. Tweak pane is fine. I think I will even add it to the template. We are using it every time, so let's use it. Is it working? Have you guys tested the link? Still not. Okay, let me check Vercel quickly. I have too many keyboards. I'm kidding, I just have to. Push to main branch. So sometimes you create a repository and it's master, sometimes you create a repository and you get main. Why? Just why? I mean, I know why they changed it, but come on, just choose one. I mean, maybe it's me, I don't know, but I don't think I did anything wrong. So, node, integration, git, main. So master, okay, let's go for master. I don't know, I don't care. It can be called Toto or Foo or Bar or whatever, I don't care. Okay. I need to push something else? Oh, come on. I think it's Rocket. Branch master. All right, it's coming. It's coming. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's move on. I'm going to cheat again and take some code from the previous project. Up. Oh, yeah. After the stats, so it's there. We should have that. If you add, yes, I mean hash debug, It's not working because I need to import it. Obviously, I knew it. It was a test. Like that. All right, we have to pane. We don't need that. We don't need that. Glad we fixed the displacement. All right, it's up. You guys can test. Let me send you the link again. I hope it's going to work. Let me see. Yeah, it's working. Ooh. Fancy. Looks organic. Not this one. Let me check on boy quickly. Okay, still sleeping. And let's use, I don't know, we can probably use something in the portal. No, not this one. Not this one. This one. Okay, go. Ah, yeah, I know. We created one on top of the others. That's why. Because we had multiple portals. I'm using the Doom project. So we have the sphere. Expanded, yes, we don't really care about that. Let's keep it just in case I want to change it. True, we should have the sphere thing. No, it's not working because we need to send a debug. Let's go. Debug. Okay, we have the sphere folder. Now we can add stuff to that sphere folder, and we are going to play with those values that we posted there. So distortion, frequency, strength. Okay, we have 4 of those. I think we are going to use the time frequency too. Displacement, time frequency, multiplier. Oh, let's use one time only, I guess. Time frequency. Let's use what we put there. Oh, so this one. Actually, what happened if you use the same? Oh, it looks okay. Yeah, I guess it's not an issue to have the same value on both. The time frequency. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Okay, so let's add those. Let me check the chat quickly. Probably was cached and loaded the final version on the insecure protocol. What? Funny thing, I was using Brave Brother with HTTPS enabled and all-sided. Ensure the cube. No, it's normal. It's because I didn't updated it yet. Yes, it's because of Julie. We had something like we had less than 100. That's for sure. Can you change the state? What do you mean change the state? Like different colors and speed of animation? Yeah, we're going to do that. Don't worry. At the end, remember, we want to create something like that. Okay, time might be an issue because we can't just change the frequency if the frequency evolves with time. So we need to send more like, yeah, actually this is more complicated. It's really hard to explain. But if you want to animate the time frequency, you have to send the custom elapsed time. Yeah, it's a bit weird. Let's play with the frequencies first, and then we are going to handle the time. My brain is melted right now. We didn't even start it long ago. Let me check. Uptime. 1 hour. I'm already tired. So yeah, let's go. I was saying, let's add some uniforms. So we have those. How do you do that on Windows? Not like this. Okay, like that. Yes, I'm still struggling with Windows. Okay, like that, and then like that. Okay, it's so different from Mac. Yeah, I need to get rid of Mac completely. I had quite a lot of bugs with Windows lately, so I'm kind of unhappy. Whatever the OS you know what's the solution? Ubuntu. I don't know. So we have those. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then we can just, no, not like that. Is it like this? Yeah, okay, it's like that. Up. Oh, shoot. I'm forcing myself to use the shortcuts. Sorry, I just need to get used to the shortcuts. Like that. When using Windows. Ah, come on, every time I got it wrong. Wow, it's so hard. It's funny because right now I'm teaching my students those kind of things. And all of them are on PC. Talking about like real life school students, not a Three.js Journey. So we can get rid of those, I guess. Yes. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, break everything. No, and now we can play with those distortions. So let's go. This debug, let's try to do it from memory. Or is it there? We need to send an object. No, we need to send. Okay, I got it. I have it. Like that. We need to tell the object that needs to be changed. So uniforms, distortion frequency, and then the value. Is it like that? I don't know. I think so. Label, distortion frequency. Min. I don't know, like 2 max. 10 step. Yeah, something like that. So did I break everything? No, it's working. Check that. Oh yeah, that's cool. Do you know that phobia of holes, especially in the skin? Maybe I should not talk about that. Maybe it will trigger some people. What's the name? There is a phobia about that. Kind of reminds me of this. Trypophobia? Yeah, maybe. No, actually, sorry. I should not show the images because I know some people will be really triggered by those specific images. But yeah, it reminds me of that. Let's talk about something else. Salut Anto. You can run Ubuntu in a virtual machine. Yeah, true. At least to do some tests. Oh, hey, Lynn. I was just talking about you like maybe 3 or 4 times because we are doing that. Rings a bell? So yeah, everybody, here's the students that showed me this animation. When do you know when to do on final change and when you don't need it? You mean on final change? On what? The Three.js course is OP. Thank you. And I'm going to add more lessons. It's not going to be a crazy update like when I added the portal lessons, but still I think you might like the new lessons. Some animations, some creative tricks, how to put your website online, and I'm working on structuring a project, but this one is super hard. That's what I was expecting, but yeah, I already don't like this lesson on how to structure for a bigger project. Oh, I should be here when you're talking about me. You can watch the replay. No, I was just mentioning you, don't worry. Will you talk about your complex starter? I might just give the a link to that repository at the end, but during the lesson we create a very similar project, very similar structure. Maybe not as advanced. I might not add the resources and the loaders. Actually, I might add the loaders. I don't know. This lesson is really hard for me. Anyway, let's add more, because more is better. Who said that? Oops. That's not what I meant. Up. Yeah, like that. Strength. Oh yeah. Damn, I love this effect. Reminds me of what Edan Kwan did on the shader display thing. What was the name? No, I don't think I can find it. It was like a workplace to add your shaders. I mean, a website where you can write your shaders. And I think the default one is something like that. Very similar. So we have this one. I'm taking so much time to add just one effect. This one, and let's add this one too. Yeah, okay. So like that and like that. And maybe we should lower those. 0.2 strength. Yeah, the strength is so... Yeah, no, this one doesn't need to be too high. Let's use one. Yeah, okay, this one is better. Actually, let me see. We are setting the padding strength. Yeah, okay, no, this one, we should apply the strength after, let me see. Yeah, when we are using it. This way, the color doesn't change. Yeah, that's it. See, the color stays the same. We just use the strength to create the offset. Which means there we don't need such a weird value. Yeah, okay, that's what was weird a bit earlier. Yeah, okay. I like it better. So, the pairing is somewhere around -1 and +1, so we need to do plus 0.5, though it's not clamped to -1 and +1. 0.5, and then we need to multiply it by something like 0.5. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so it's close to 0 and close to 1. I think. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, cool. So we can play with the displacement, the strength of it. So we have the... Yeah, okay, that's it. I love this effect so much. Performances are okay, but not that okay. Yeah, see, 1 millisecond on that computer, it's okay, but might get bad on other computers. Start to get bad on other computers. So yeah, this one is working. This one is the frequency. Oh wait. Distortion. Oh no, I messed up. Oh yeah, okay, so let's fix that. Displacement frequency. Yeah, okay, that's why. Okay, so now we have the displacement frequency. Oh no, he's awake. Hey, buddy. What's up? Yeah, okay, he's drinking. You know what I have to do. Let's say hi first. What's the base geometry? Yeah, just a sphere. Just a sphere. And we need that for later with the normal calculation. You will see at some point. I mean, I think. I'm not totally sure, but I think. Give me just a moment. He's drinking. Read fireball. Let me see that. Oh, nice. I like the burn effect. That's cool. Kind of mystic.
Hey, bro, what's up?
I'm so gaga.
Hello.
Hello, everyone. Oh. Say hi.
Hello. Hello.
Okay. So yeah, as always, I'll be back. Give me 5 minutes. He's back.
Hello.
All right. Sorry. He's getting good, but yeah, I need to walk him, yeah, maybe 8 times a day. I don't know. I don't count. Where do he give updates for the stream? What? What? In Three.js Learner. You are at the right place, bro. Yeah, let me send you the link. Actually, I don't know. How can I get it? Yeah, I don't know. Your top? No, okay, it's a mess. I don't know, I need to put the links to the song, something like that. Oh, he's sleeping again. That's perfect. Okay, let's go. Back to it. Who is a good boy? Where you give updates of when you will be live? Twitter. Yeah. Or maybe you can just follow me on Twitch. Add Twitch to your phone and you will get notifications. Also on the Discord, but there are some tweaks to do because we didn't want it to spam everyone. Though I wanted to spam everyone, so I need to do some tweaks on the Discord. If you're on the Discord, like that. Oh, he's so cute. What time is it? Okay, we have more time. I need to go to the park at some point. Which sound? You mean music? So, about the time. Yeah, let's do the time. This dot elapsed time. Yeah, we need to do something like that. Put that here, and then we are going to use the time differently. We're going to send it not like that. Yeah, okay, I think that's it. We need to do uTime value plus equal the delta like this. Yeah, we can do that. And so we don't need this one. And we need to multiply by, I don't know, something like 001. Was it 001? uTime frequency. Yeah, we don't need this one. Yes, so it's gonna be a mess, don't mind. Give me a moment. So it's not uTime frequency, it's this one. We can do that. Okay, so it's back. But now we can control the frequency and we can do this. Time frequency. Oh, sorry, boy. It's a bit cold. Something like that. And then we can add a tweak for that. So we can put it before. Let's use this one. Could be faster. No, more like this, and then we use as a step. Oh, I don't like to play with such small values. And it's gonna be this time frequency. And we don't need a label because it's the same as the property.
The camera is frozen, Bruno.
Oh, what the hell? Are you right? Or maybe I'm just not in the screen. No, actually, you're right. There's an issue. Yeah, I don't think I can do much. I don't know. That's weird. First time I get this. Yeah. Bye, camera. Alright, let's do without cameras. Good. I can get naked. No, it's too cold. Alright, so the time frequency is not working. Shoo. Why? Okay, maybe I'm not using it. Oh yeah, that's why. Yeah, now it's working. So we can stop it and change it. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, maybe we need more control. Maybe we can get even faster. Max, we can do maybe 5. Alright, it's too small by default. Yeah, no, let's skip 1. Yeah, that's cool. Let me send you that live. So git status, git add, git commit. Add tweaks on the sphere. I don't know if we will have something else in the scene. We'll see that later. Okay, give it a minute and you should be able to test it. The usual link. No way, you're back. Yes, I am. No camera. The camera just broke. I don't know why. I don't know what to do to fix it. I mean, let me see. I have no apps. No, nothing is using the camera, so why? Oh, okay. Might be back. When you plug a camera to a PC, you can be sure that every application will try to use it, whatever, to save your file, to save your photos, to show it on your discussion app or whatever. Such a mess. Anyway, it's back. Hey! So I'm not naked, sorry. Let's go. Alright, it's working. Yeah, so is it live or what? Project. Let me check. So you need to add debug on the URL. So let me show you. For those who don't know yet how I work, almost every website experiments I do, you can add debug, even my portfolio, especially my portfolio, and you get this, and you can play with it. So add debug to the URL. Yay, cool. Oh, by the way, I would like to know if the performances are good enough. If you're still under the 16 milliseconds to render. I think it should be fine for now, but still we have already quite a lot of vertices. Alright, so next part, we need to play... Oh, yeah. Oh, we're getting close to that. We need to play with the colors and the Fresnel. The Fresnel is going to be hard. I think I will do the Fresnel part on the next session because it's not that easy. We can't just use the normal. We need to compute the normal according to the siblings. It's going to be a mess. I will probably fail this part. So yeah, let's instead play with like fake colors, fake lighting. So what we need to do is, oh no, we need the normals too for the lighting. Well, looks like we need to do that already. Shoo. Okay, let's start and probably fail, and we will fix that later. So, let me think. We need to add another attribute. An attribute that tells where are the siblings to calculate the cross product. Oh yeah, that's so complicated. I don't want to do it. No, I think for now we'll just use the default, what's the name? The default normal, and then I will change it later. So yeah, let's do that. V normal, we send it there. We can calculate some lightning. Oh, maybe we can do it in the vertex because we already have so much vertices. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, and we need to put everything in a function. Oh yeah, I forgot that. That's so complex. Okay, let's do it. We calculate displacement. Instead of new position, let's create displace position. More logical. Vec3 get displaced position, because I need to apply the same formula on siblings. That's all. You will see. To do a cross product, it's a complex. So complex, even I can't explain it. Which is why I'm practicing this. So Vec3. Yeah, okay, that's better. Then we need to do all of this inside of this. I think we can move it. Let me see. We need to send a Vec3 position. It's going to be this one. Then here we can do those without issues. This one too. Yes, we do need to send the normal. Yeah, okay, should be fine. Then the parent strength. I don't know, it's not that easy. Ooh, the normal is just the position. The normalized position. Yeah, that might get useful. Normalize. If I do this, I should get the exact same result. Yeah, that's cool. That will get handy. Because normals will be computed, so we can't use the normals for the siblings. Parent strength and that. Okay, let's go. Displace position. We can do that. Displacement position. Move it there. We'll probably break everything. It's okay. So we base on that. We change this one, this one, this one, and we return displaced position. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay. And we send the position to it. And I think we can get rid of everything. Nope. Obviously. So, displace position, displacement position. We copy this one. Displace position. We normalize it. Parent strength. U displacement strength. We should have access to those. Okay, so what's the matter? By the way, is everything working? Usually at the end of the stream. Yes, exactly. Working great on a MacBook Pro from 3 years ago. Okay, that's cool. Good start. Okay, great. Those values should not change the performances anyway. Okay, so it's the parent strength, I guess. Oh yeah, and I'm setting it there. Oh, okay. Oh, that's too bad. Too bad. Can we fix that? I want to be able to use that. Let me see. It's going to change at some point because we are going to use the Fresnel effect instead. But for now, I want to be able to use the parent strength without to have like multiple functions. So that's a bit sad. Maybe I can send it like as the alpha and get rid of it later. Oh, maybe I can just get the difference between the first and second value. Yeah, let's do that. So it's gonna be apps of this minus whatever this. No, you don't like that? I mean, length of this minus this. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I broke this, it's fine. Let's put a bigger value. This is temporary anyway. Oh, that's interesting. It's not what I was expecting. The base position. We didn't change the base position. In the displaced position, why are we getting that? Maybe we don't need to apps it. Oh no, the length of it, oh yeah, it doesn't make sense. No, let's use the, no, it's not the distance. Oh yeah, that's the point, I'm getting like tired. Yeah, I'm not getting what I want. Okay, let's do something else. Instead, we are going to send a vec4 and we're going to get rid of it at some point, and we use this padding strength there. So it's a vec4 padding displacement position. It's going to be a vec4, and we can use that as the alpha and this as XYZ. Yeah, okay, it's back, and then we can put back what we had before. There. Yeah, okay, it's back. Okay, cool. But we put everything in a function, and this will get handy once we calculated the siblings. How do you say? The siblings. What's the name? Vertices. Okay. Check the chat. Unlucky. R3F example, Flexbox with yoga. I don't know what you're talking about, but if you find the link, please send it to us. I'm curious to see. No, we are trying to do that. It's going somewhere. Okay, so the normal, we are sending the normal, that's cool. We can use it there. Let's do the, is it cross product? No, it's not the cross product, it's the dot. Yes, we need to do a dot. I haven't done that for so long. Test equal, let's do a dot. How do we do a dot? I think it's between just something and vec3 going from, I don't know, like let's say 0.0 minus 1.0, so it's going downward. And we should get no error first. Okay, that's cool. And then we can use that value. Let's get rid of those and do something like that. Yeah, okay, that's it. It's the opposite of what I wanted, but damn, that's cool. Ooh, that's not what we want to do, but it's looking so nice. Okay, maybe at some point we'll get away from that. Oh, check that. Feels like scattering. Though it's what we did here is more like a fog. You can get a very similar result just by doing a for algorithm. Alright, so what I wanted to do is send the coordinates. Yeah, I wanted to calculate on the vertex because we have more than enough computation, I mean vertices on the vertex. Get displaced position. We're going to do some colors. Maybe we can send it, I don't know. So yeah, let's send a color instead. So we are going to do v vec3 v color. Yeah. V color equal color. Let's create a color. We are going to put something red at first. The final position, do we care about that? Yeah, let's put it there. Alright, let's just call this part position. We are going to do some changes after, but should be enough for now. So we send a color, that's great. Oh, I did a mistake. V color. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay, that's cool. And we use that here. And we can do that. And we are going to do this calculation there. So light A intensity equal the dot product of the normal. This one will change a bit later. And yeah, it's a bit more complicated. We need the coordinate of light. So the light can be, I don't know, like 1.0, 1.0, 1.0. So it should be above us. Maybe behind us, I don't know actually. Oh, come on. 1, 1, 1, and then we need to do the opposite and make sure that we normalize it. Yeah, I guess, not sure. Then we can do that, and or just send it like that. Yeah, okay, it's working. Nice. Let's invert this one. Okay, cool. So now it's supposed to be there, so it's exactly the opposite of that. So we can do a minus dot. Yeah, okay, so now we have the light there. So if we put it, let's say, more behind us, so it's gonna be like this. It should be, no, that's weird. Minus 1, 1. Okay, no, this one is weird. Oh yeah, it's because the camera is not in front of it. So let's make sure that the camera is facing the sphere. Yeah, we can keep this one. We don't need that much. Let's put 15. And it was... yeah, this one. 0, 5, 0. Yeah, that's it. Like that. Okay, makes more sense. So if we put the light a little on the right, it should be like that. Okay, it's working. That's great. That's great. And if we put, yeah, it's being normalized. So yeah, everything is working nice. What we can do now is make sure that the value is clean. And by that, I mean it doesn't go below 0. So max 0.0 and that. So this is how you create light the good old ways, like in old video games. Obviously, today's, if you check like the shaders of Three.js, they have more realistic ways of handling lights, but at least that's super performance, so that's why I'm going for that. Okay, great. But it's not accurate because right now it's considering the normals to be like sphere normals, even though we did some changes. We should have some reflection on those displacement, which is not the case right now. Even if you can see some changes, it's not accurate. So we need to fix that, and to fix that, we need to compute the normals, meaning that we need to calculate the normal according to the siblings, the neighbors, vertices. So it's super complex. We need first to get the coordinates of the neighbors vertices. We can do that by sending them as attributes, or we can calculate those directly here with some bad math. I'm gonna be bad at that. Yeah, anyway. So yeah, we are going to play with those values. What we can do too is send a color. So it can be like vec3 u light a color. Yeah, let's create some of those. Vec3, let's say that it's a red. 0. I don't know, something like that. Position. So this is the position of the light. Yeah, I didn't break anything, that's cool. And then the color, we can do a mix between, let's start from a black, so 0.0. And then the color will be a mix from the initial color and the light intensity, and the light A color according to the light intensity. And we should get some red here. Yeah, okay, it's working, cool. That's not red. Let me just lower this maybe. I don't know, something like that. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Then we are going to create another one. So it's going to be light B. And we do another mix between the color, the U light B color and the light B intensity. And we're going to change the coordinates and put the other lights on the bottom left, something like that. So it's gonna be -1. Yeah, something like that. Let's do a bit different, something like this. Yeah, okay, and then we can change the color and put, I don't know, something more like blue. Okay, that's cool, that's cool. I don't know, maybe that's not the best way, but I think that if we have those kind of lights controls, we can play with it and get those. We're going to crank the values up with the Fresnel so that it kind of burns on the edges. I don't know, I really don't know where this is going. We'll see, we'll see. Deform typography looks awesome at the bottom of the page. Thanks for this string. Oh, let me see. It's loading. At the bottom of the page. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I don't know how they did that. It's looking super cool. I've never seen this one. I really like that. I guess it's a model. They started from a model so that they don't have to generate a complex geometry for each person that visits the website. And then they do some displacement, and yeah, the displacement might be a bit like what I did there. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, that's super cool. Check the links, everybody. What do you think about algorithm programs like the one on the lead code? What's that? In Italy, most schools have mandatory Latin classes because it teaches you how to think. Latin teaches you how to think. Wait. What's the link between Latin and algorithm? Is there really a link? I mean, I've done some Latin in France. I don't know if it's still the case, but I used to learn Latin 100% useless. Like, it never helped me. I know that some people will say, what? Don't say that. But seriously, it never helped me. Yes, you can understand the medicines. It's super awesome. So no, I don't think Latin helps. And learning languages does help. Yeah, that's for sure, but not Latin. Website should come with epilepsy warning. Yes, some might need those warnings, true. Because you can't memorize Latin as a high schooler. You need to understand pattern, recognize. Ah, that's good. I like that. But I think just practicing algorithm and mathematics is even better than using something else to learn that thing. I don't know. I'm not convinced. I put way too much effort learning Latin for nothing, so I don't know. Bruno, why did you use Twig Paint? I don't know, it's working nice. That UI is all broken, and fortunately there are some dependencies warning, vulnerabilities, though it's not really important, and they can't fix them because I lost the access. UEFI is cool, but there are some structural issues. And yeah, Twig Paint is just fine, but I would be happy to try something else. Yes, I'm going to add more videos. I'm working on 3 more lessons. One about scroll-based animation, where I do give many tips to create an immersive website with scroll. It's quite an easy one, all right? It's not very advanced, but here we're going to do a cool animation on scroll. I might tease some video contents once I'm done writing them. And one about putting your website live. I use the Vercel. This one is easy too. It's you can use Vercel CLI, C-L-I. We say CLI in France. I mean, I say CLI. So CLI, I don't know, C-L-I. So the command line in interface. Easy one, short one, and another one about how to structure your code for complex project. But this one I'm struggling so much. I can't just give all the tips I'm using. It's super advanced. I'm using singletons, module classes, and very specific structure, events, events emitter. It's so much. I mean, if I teach everything, it might take like 4 hours or something like that. So I don't know. I need to work on this one. We'll see. Yeah, Vercel is super cool. I just hope they will not do break changes because I need to update the lesson. I even put some screenshots of the interface to help people register and use it and install it. And yeah, I guess they will update Vercel fast. Yeah, I know. So many requests about that. But my main issue with that is that I have my own way of structuring the code, and I know that most developers will not do it this way. I mean, I really love my way of doing it. I'm so used to it, and I think it's really almost perfect. But it's because I mean, it's me, so that's the way I like to do it. So I don't want to push people to do the way I do. They should try their own. Actually, I say that at the beginning of the lesson, like, it's my way of doing it. Try your own way. You might not agree with everything. Do your own template, share it. I would be happy to see it. So yeah. Oh, we could do some scattering. Oh, wait. That's interesting. We can calculate the scattering if we can find the vertex on the opposite, and then we know the depth. Ooh. Oh, that's an interesting one. I think we will do that. And once we are done, we will create another sphere and do some scattering. You know what scattering is? Scattering, I don't know how to write it. With 2 T and 1 R, obviously. Got it wrong. Yeah, that's scattering. You know, when the light go through and you get some light intensity according to some variables, and the depth and the density of the candle. For a candle, but it works with the skin and things like that. And I think we can do some scattering effect on that. The math behind are going to be quite hard, but we can try. But first, let's focus on that. All right, let me catch up with the chat. Yep. Yeah, I can catch some tricks. Yeah, true. That's the idea. Take what's good and get rid of the rest. Even though the sphere as is look cool. Yeah, you will see. Once I have computed the normals, the sphere will be... Okay, boy is still sleeping. Let's continue. Mister, this normal just be useful for a sphere? You lost me. What's the question, Lynn? Yeah. No, I think in the lesson, Anto, we are going to really create that structure, because just explaining the repository will be too fast, too much for beginners, especially those that never created like modules, import, export, classes, singletons, all of those. I don't think I will go for the singleton. The singleton is really too complex to explain. Anyway, let's try. I'm just like avoiding doing it, but I need to try to calculate, to compute that normal. I just don't want to do it. Let me think. We can calculate the one on the side quite easily, because it's a circle. Can we calculate the one on the top? No, I don't think so. It's gonna be so complex. Wait. On a plane, it's quite easy. Give me a moment, I'm just trying to figure out how to calculate that. Oh, we need to add tweaks too. Well, we can do that later. For the lights, I mean. So the one on the sides depend on the elevation of it. don't know. That's so complex. Oh wait, can't we just calculate what's the name? There are normals and there is something else. It's called tangent. Ah yeah, tangent might be the solution. Oh, and when we have the tangent, we can calculate the third one. Oh yeah. Wait. I think I have an idea. I'm quite sure we have access to some methods to calculate that. Compute tangents. Oh, that's cool. Calculate and add a tangent attribute to this geometry. The computation is only separate for indexes geometries and if position, normal, and UV attributed or defined. Position, normal, and UV are defined. And I think for a sphere, it's an indexed geometry. I'm not sure of it. Oh, maybe not actually. Maybe not. Might be. Okay, let's struggle. Let's go. We're going to add the tweaks for the lights later. So the geometry is there. Is there an easy way to know if it's indexed or not? Get index, set index, to non-index, index line, index. Okay, that's this one. So index. Okay, it's indexed. Okay, that's perfect. That's exactly what we need. By default, I don't think we have access to the tangents. Yes, we don't, so we need to compute them. Compute tangents. Actually, I think it does send this value once we calculate it into the GPU. Oops, didn't work. Compute. What happened? Compute tangents. Can I copy the word? Oh, come on, I just want to copy that. Okay, it's fine. Yes, now we have the tangents. Tangent, I don't know. Do you push all your stream repos to Git? Yeah. All of them. And you can do whatever you want with the code. I don't care. I always forget to put the MIT license. Actually, I think I will put, the most permissive license, but I'm not sure I can put that license if I'm using MIT license libraries. I'm bad with copyright. But yeah, do whatever you want with my code. It's on GitHub. As far as my understanding goes, algorithms are way more math related than language related. Yeah, I agree with that. Tangents. All right. Oh wait, maybe you don't write it that way. Yeah, like that.
Tangents.
I will keep this one open. Might get useful. Alright, so now we have 1, 2. We need to compute the third one. Oh wait, that's not it. Oh, it's so complex. Still, I think it's gonna be fine. Yeah. Even if it's not like perfectly accurate, it's gonna be fine. It's not going to be the exact sibling, but it's going to be close, and that's enough for me. So, this geometry, compute tangents. So now we have access to the tangents here. Let me just do one mistake in the code so that we can check that we do get the tangents. UV, use tangent. Are we using tangents by default, or do we need to send a specific define for that? Oh, why is it vec4? What the hell? Tangents are supposed to be vec3? Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, I think I'm going to mess up. We have to put so much code. Yeah, it's gonna be a mess. Before having something visible. Alright, didn't break anything. Just wondering if we're using the tangents, what do we get? So it's gonna be there. Yeah, I don't see why we have a vec4 for tangents. Oh, it's not tangent. Undeclared identifier. Use tangent, use tangent, use tangent, tangent. Singular, all right. Yeah, okay, they seem to be working. Okay, so it's the one going on the sides. So now we need to use the, I will call that bitangent, though I'm not sure this is what you call bitangent. Bitangent equal, and it's going to be a cross. And let me see, so the cross is 1, 2, 3. So no, it's, oh shoot, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay, so it's this one. So normal tangent, and we get a bit bitangent. So normal tangent xyz, and we get the bitangent, which is not a cont, it's a vec3. Okay, and now if we show this, oh no, actually it's not right. Yeah, I don't know. I think I will break everything and we will stop there. But at least we will have tried some stuff and maybe I will be able to fix it later. So, is it good or not? No, I don't think so. No, that's weird. We're not supposed to have this. Oh, wait, maybe. The normal is the one going out of the sphere. The tangent is the one going all around. Yeah, that's it. So for this one, it's going that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way. And the bitangent is supposed to go up because we did normal, bitangent, and this one, or maybe down, actually, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I don't know. If we see it from the side, let me see. It's going that way, that way, that way, that way, that way. That way, that way, that way, that way. Yeah, no, I don't think it's good. We can try. We can try the calculation of the computed normal, but I'm quite sure it's not going to be good. Computed normal. So, no, first we need to test the first sibling. We need to find the neighbor. So neighbor. Hey. Tangent neighbor. Let's call it tangent neighbor. Neighbor tangent. So that's it. Start with neighbor. So it's gonna be the position plus the tangent. No, that's so complex. Tangent.xyz multiply by, and we need to divide by how many subdivisions we have. So I will put it right here. For a sphere, oh no, I can't do that. It's just too complex. I need to do some drawings. Can we find some pre-made code maybe? I don't know. What's that? 2 hours? Oh, the uptime. Let me check. Oh, it's not working. Hey, I'm doing fine. Fine. What about you? Fine. Tangent is derived from French? I don't know. I would be surprised, but maybe, yeah. Maybe. So yeah, uptime. Ah, yeah, 2 hours. You're right. So yeah, let's do, I need a GLSL mathpy. Let's take anything precise enough. Yeah, this one is cool. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Oh yeah, okay. We need to calculate the, do we say perimeter? We say perimeter? So it's gonna be, those are basic math. I'm still struggling with that. Float, perimeter. Do we say perimeter? You know, the distance of the circle around the circle. I mean, the distance of a circle. The length of a circle, I think we said. So it's gonna be mathpy multiplied by 2 multiplied by the radius, and the radius is 1. So 1.0. 1.0. Okay, it's just 2 actually. By 2, something like that. Alright, and we divide the perimeter by the subdivision. So it's gonna be float neighbor tangent distance. Oh, that's crazy. It's gonna be the perimeter divided by the subdivision. So we'll put it like this. We'll have to send probably a uniform or something like that. Let me check if I broke everything. Yes, I did. Okay, cool. Then, yeah, actually, we don't need that. We can put that here. We need to do that like that. Probably not. Still, I like to have it separated with parentheses. Then the neighbor tangent is going to be the position plus the tangent multiplied by the distance between the tangents. Yeah, see, I probably did some mistakes there, so that's impossible. Oh, and on the top, it's not the same values because points are getting tighter on the top at the bottom of the sphere, so it's not going to work. Shoo. Yeah. It's impossible for people like me, bad at math. Neighbor by tangent, let's do that. I don't know, yeah, I don't think it's going to work. So it's going to be mathpy this time. The distance is supposed to be smaller, I guess. Yeah, I think we can just do that. Neighbor tangent, neighbor by tangent. And we use that value. Sorry, it's a bit boring, but I'm struggling right now. I'll probably try to improve that offline after sleeping a full night, though it's impossible with boy. We use the by tangent. Where's my by tangent? There. XYZ, yeah, we don't really care. We go that direction and we multiply by this, and it's not the same because yes, it's half of the sphere of a circle, I mean. Okay. That's actually what I did for prior. What's the name? Prior. Oh, damn. It's a weird name. I forgot. Anyway. Vec3, computed normal. So in theory, that's what we want, but I know I did some mistakes. The computed normal will be a cross product of the neighbor tangent and the neighbor by tangent. So computed normal, we take the 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. Okay, and then we use that, and we are supposed to get the result, but I'm sure we won't get it. Yeah, okay, we have nothing. No. So sad. Maybe the opposite? Yeah, everything is gone. Oh, too bad. Too bad. We send the normal. I think we are not using those anymore. Yeah, no, so that's not the issue. Or maybe we need to normalize it. Oh, yeah, I think that's it. Computer normal equal normalize. I will do it after. Like that. Yeah, no, that's absolutely not it. Compute normal. No. Not working. Yeah, that's not it. Ah, too bad. I knew I was going to mess this one. Too bad. No, I'm sure I'm not going to do it today. That's the idea. Sometimes I just know I run into a wall, and the next time I know how to avoid that wall. But yeah, let's see. I calculated the bitangent from the tangent. So 1, 2, 3. So it's the one going below. Maybe I can do differently, like 1. Let's say that's the surface. 1, 2. I'm in the opposite, so maybe 1, 2, 3. Okay, so maybe we need to do. Oh no, actually it's right. Normal, tangent, and the last one. Yeah, I have some tips with the hand to understand how the cross product works. I almost added some cross product thing in the course, but it's just too complex even for me. So 1, 2, 3. I have some doubts with the tangents. I don't understand why we have a vec4. Anyway, then we have the neighbor tangent. So the neighbor tangent. So we calculate the neighbor on the tangent. So it's the current position, and we add the tangent. So it's the direction of the tangent from the distance of those. And this is what we get. Yeah, okay. This one looks fine. Then we do the bitangent on the neighbor. So that's the one above it. The idea is that I'm calculating where are the... Oh, wait, I know. Ah, yes. I forgot something. I need to apply... Ah, yeah, that's it. I need to apply the same algorithm. Yeah, but anyway, I think it's wrong because of that shape. I need to apply the displacement, the get displaced position for those neighbors. Okay. Oh, that's so hard. Let's change the name. I don't like this one. It's gonna
Let's
be
go.
tangent neighbor. Tangent neighbor tangent. Bitangent neighbor. Bitangent neighbor. So tangent bitangent. Okay, that's it. So we have this one. We have this one. Then we need to offset it. So it's gonna be get displaced position, and we send that, just that, and we do exactly the same for this one. So we apply the displacement on those theoretical neighbors. Yeah, it's not going to work. I know that, because even without applying this, we should not have this pattern. It looks like the bitangent is wrong, but I don't know exactly why. I think I will send an attribute and do the calculations inside the in JavaScript. It's going to be much more simple. I just need to check how this sphere is built and do our own custom sphere. So bitangent neighbor, we applied this. What do we get? Oops. Vec3, did a mistake, I guess. Vertex shader is not compiled. Dimension mismatch. Oh yeah, because we wanted the pattern strength. So yeah, we don't really care about the pattern strength, so we can just use the XYZ after getting the result. Yeah, okay. It doesn't work clearly. Okay, it's okay. I knew I was going to fail. I tried. We're going to do things differently, and we are going to calculate the neighbors in JavaScript directly. Sphere geometry, let's see. I don't like the fact that it doesn't open. reveal in File Explorer. Oh no, those are the types. Oh. Yeah, I don't like that. And the types are saved there? What the hell? Oh, it's even worse now. I mean, I get it. I know why it's doing that, but that doesn't help me. 3 src geometries. That's what I like with Three.js. You can just dive in the code, and it's not that complex. There's a lot, but it's not that complex. So this is how we create a geometry. Radius, width segments, height segments. Okay. Where is the loop? Here's the loop. Okay. Calculate that. Ix, Iy. Okay, I guess it's going like from the bottom, then it goes up. Yeah, okay, it's 8 segments. Yeah, that's not that complex. It's gonna be hard, but I think I can do it. Those are for the UVs, we don't really care about that. Then it's doing the other loop, so the circles, so it goes up like this. And then they calculate the vertex, and here we can put another one. Ah, they are doing this way. Ooh, that's the wrong way. That's why you have to wait something like 1 second or 2 seconds when you try to generate a super complex geometry. I mean, with a lot of vertices. I had this issue on Orano. I don't know if you guys know Orano. This website is still live, that's crazy. For this website, I use a plane from Three.js to create like the floor there. And as you can see, there are like a lot of subdivisions. And it took something like 5 or 6 seconds to generate those planes in JavaScript, because Three.js were doing this. It was creating the vertices and then creating the array, the final array, and add the vertices to it, which is wrong because it's super long in JavaScript. You just need to fill that array already. So if we want to accelerate the generation at first, we can maybe change this algorithm. Anyway, we're not going to do that because we don't care if we have to wait 1 or 2 seconds to generate the geometries. Still, it's interesting. So yeah, this part is like placing vertices on a sphere, and we just need to send the neighbor. Yeah, that's it. And send other attributes. Yeah, okay. I think I can do it. All right, it's gonna be on the next session, but I think I can do it. And after that, we will be able to calculate the new normals, and you will see like the organic sphere will look so much better after that. We're going to end here, so let's do the giveaway. Let me lower this a bit. Change the screen. This one. Let me put back something that looks great. I mean, better at least. So it was this one, I think. Actually, the color was okay. So let's put back the color, compute it normal.
Love your work hashtag.
Thank you. Okay, let's keep that for now. Let me push it. We need to add some tweaks too. By the way, what time is it? Oh yeah, it's time to go to the park. Kid Push, yeah. Will you give a tutorial on using Vercel and tweak plane? Vercel, yes. I'm right now creating the lesson on Three.js Journey to do that. So you need to take the Three.js Journey. But seriously, it's so simple. Like Vercel, just check the website. They give many ways of putting your website live. The lesson is really small. Like it's I don't know, 15-minute lesson, and I talk a lot about different things. You cannot learn that easily. No, I'm not going to add the lesson about tweak pane. It's not plane, it's pane, because there is already a lesson about DagUI, which was a mistake because DagUI just went a bit bad. I mean, it's not being updated, so I should not have done that. But anyway, I will not add another debugger tool because I'm using DagUI on the whole course. Yeah, he's waking up, I think. Okay, now is a good time. If you want to find a file faster, try using everything. It's an awesome tool to quickly find files, even though you don't know exactly the name. With the fuzzy search, I guess, things like that. All right, I will check it. All right, so yeah, sorry, let's do the giveaway. Let me set everything up. I need to go to the bathroom, so let's do fast. I can't hold. Yup, Nightbot. So if you guys want a chance to win the course, Three.js Journey, first you need to follow me. Okay, he's waking up, we need to do fast. And you need to put in the chat sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Let's go. I want to see some sphere in the chat. That's cool. Yeah, it was a weird session. I knew I was going to mess up anyway. So yeah, everybody, I want sphere in the chat if you want a chance to win the Three.js Journey course. Don't forget to follow me. And let me prepare you the prize while you guys are posting some spheres in the chat. Where is it? Where is it? There. Yeah, boy, I'm coming. So how many? 31. Is it good, everybody? No more? Okay, let's roll. And congratulations to Valaco7. Valaco7, can you post something in the chat? Oh, I got you. I got you. Valaco, I sent you a whisper. Oh, sorry, something went wrong by loading the conversation. Oh wait, I have a bug. Can you send me a whisper, please, Valaco? Okay. Now it's working. Yeah, it's working. So yeah, I've sent you the link and enjoy. And everybody, I see you later. I don't know when exactly. I can't stream as often as I used to because now I have to work on the lessons. I have to work on the schools. So I will try to stream 2 to 3 times a week. Though I would like to do more, I can't. So see you maybe tomorrow, maybe next day. Bye bye everyone.